Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. A winter storm unleashed heavy snow and strong winds throughout much of the US Southeast and Mid-Atlantic on Monday, killing at least 5 people, forcing federal offices and schools to close, grounding airplanes and knocking out the power for thousands of the people. Forecasts call for the 4 to 8 inches of the snow and winds up to 40 miles per hour in the region's first blizzard of the season, according to the National Weather Service. Severe weather warnings were issued from the Carolinas to New Jersey. Nearly 850,000 were without power. That heavy amount of snow was most likely to fall from the parts of the eastern Virginia to the eastern shore of Maryland, much of the Delaware, and southern New Jersey. As of mid-afternoon Monday, there are several reports of at least 10 inches of the snow in Virginia, Maryland, New Jersey, and North Carolina. Glendy, Virginia, about 50 miles southwest of the Washington, D.C., reported 14.6 inches. The National Weather Service said the winter storm was easing and would end shortly. The inclement weather forced federal government offices to close in Washington, while dozens of the schools across the region cancelled or delayed the start of the school. Elsewhere, the storm brought a fair amount of misery and problems. Some 661,000 electric company customers were without power in Virginia, Maryland, the Carolinas, and Georgia. Power outages.us reported down from about 770,000 outages earlier in the day. Nearly 3,000 flights had been cancelled and more than 5,000 had been delayed in the United States, FlightAware.com showed. Highway officials in Maryland and Virginia said the icy roads caused dozens of the accidents and road closures. Washington mayor declared a snow emergency as public transportation in and around the city of 7 lakh people was operating on a reduced schedule and faced delays due to the rough conditions. Flood warnings were in effect in the Durham, North Carolina area where 3 inches of rain fell and winds were blowing at 45 miles per hour. Despite the weather, the public school system in the North Carolina's Wake County decided to hold classes for its 150,000 students on Monday, and some questioned that decision. Virginia State Police responded to more than 2,000 calls for service due to the dangerous road conditions. The Free Lancaster newspaper in Fredericksburg reported. State police had warned people to avoid driving unless absolutely necessary, especially as evening and freezing temperatures set in. Due to the heavy snowfall concentration, road conditions rapidly turned dangerous for commercial and passenger vehicles. Social media was flooded with the posts from desperate drivers trapped for hours in their cars in freezing weather. State and local emergency personnel worked through the night to clear down trees, assist disabled vehicles, and reroute drivers, governor said on Tuesday. No injuries or fatalities from the storm of the traffic backup were reported in Virginia, but state officials were facing slew of questions about how the situation was allowed to escalate, with many motorists furious that they were left out in the cold with no way to get off the road. Many also complained that emergency officials did not recognize the seriousness of the situation and provide food and water to stranded people in freezing temperatures. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon for regular updates.